2014 Carrera base 991.1, almost 70,000 miles. I won't spare anybody with the details of how to get the door panel off. There's plenty of videos, but I will be posting online how I fixed the door panel warping and separating at the top. So I'm going to fix this door panel today with heavy duty Gorilla Glue. Two 1x2 sign stakes. They didn't have one long enough, but I figured this would be fairly rigid when using these clamps from Lowe's. And when taking the door panel off, if you can kind of look in here and see what's in there, it didn't really appear that there was a whole lot of adhesive in here. If anything, it appeared to be what looked like a lightly sprayed upholstery adhesive that was just holding this to the plastic. My guess is that there's just not enough adhesive in there to hold up under the extreme temperatures that hit this thing during the day. My car is a car that's parked outside, and when I bought this car, I didn't notice this issue until about a month after I purchased the car. And then as of recently, right in this section right here, it started getting really bad and peeling up. So I decided to go ahead and do something about it. Figured I could try this myself. If it doesn't work, we'll find out. But I think I've used this stuff on other cars for other things, and it seems to have held up well, so we're going to give it a shot. I did clean both sides, the upper plastic of the door card and the inside of the foam with rubbing alcohol, and it seems to have done the trick. There doesn't seem to be any oily residue, and it doesn't seem to be any sticky residue left on the plastic. Both feel very clean and very dry. So I'm going to go ahead and shoot the stuff in there, clamp it down, and hope for the best. I'm going to let it cure overnight, probably about 24 hours before I put it on. The passenger door is does not appear to be coming up yet, or it's not this bad because it's not really noticeable. But when that one happens, I'll go ahead and do that one as well. So anyways, wish me luck. I'll post results when I'm done. Okay, everything's applied, cleaned up. It looks like it's sealing fairly level. Hopefully it won't have any problems. The only thing I did note is I do wish I would have had one long piece of 1x2. I think after this is installed back, this foam will come back to life after it heats up, but we shall see. Even if it doesn't, even if there's a little bit of a slight indentation there towards the glass, it won't be that bad. This will be much better than what it was. So we shall see. Unpack it tomorrow afternoon when I get off work.